Bonjour, this is Emma helping you with French pronunciation. This is our third class and we are looking at syllables with 3 letters. So we are first going to read the line of the syllables and then in the context of the words. So please repeat after me. So we are working with the first group here. Mère, sel, veste, serre. In the words, un serpent, un serpent. La mer, la mer. Du sel, du sel. Une veste, une veste. Second line, chi, gris, bris, glis. So be sure always to repeat after me. Une église, une église. Un briquet, un briquet. Des griffes, des griffes. Des chiffres. Next line, fil, nis, 10, vire. Un disque, un disque. Une virgule, une virgule. And that's a comma. Du fil, du fil. Un alpiniste, un alpiniste, alpiniste, alpiniste. Now you see the word alpinist starts with a vowel, A, and the word before ends with an N, a consonant. So the French like to glue these words, like as if it were written just in one word. So you, instead of reading un alpiniste, you're going to read them all together like un alpiniste. Say that again, un alpiniste. And now another page with other groups of 3 letters. Bro, fro, chaud, clos. Une cloche, une cloche. Du chocolat, du chocolat. Une brosse, une brosse. Du fromage, du fromage. Oh, by the way, for du chocolat, again, don't pronounce the final consonant. So, du chocolat. We don't hear the T. Next line, bol, or. Now you notice we don't pronounce the letter H in French. So just ignore it. Or, vol, sort. Un volcan, un volcan. Un bol, un bol. Un trésor, un trésor. Une horloge, une horloge. Next line, chu, tru, pru, plus. Une prune, une prune. Une plume, une plume. Un parachute, un parachute. Une autruche, une autruche. Remember, letters A and U together just make the sound O. Une autruche. And now the last line. Mur, mule, jus, bus. Now we have a long word, but again it's simple. Just cut the word into syllables of 3 or 2 letters, and then you can pronounce any long word. So repeat after me each group. Une multiplication. And T-I-O-N is a sound, T-I is a sound S, not sh, S, sion. So, multiplication. Let's do this one more time. Une multiplication. Okay, une multiplication. Un mur, un autobus. And as I said earlier, you can glue that because autobus starts with a vowel, so you can glue it with the N before to make it like sound one word. Un autobus. Un autobus. Very good. Un autobus. Et la justice. La justice. So now I'm going to read you some syllables and then some words, and you'll have to figure out which group of syllable you have to put to make this sound, this word. And I suggest you write down the group of syllable on the paper, and then after I'm going to show you the answers, and then you can compare. Okay, so we're going to do two groups, 2 lines, and then I'll show you the answers. So the first line, the group of syllables, and you can repeat after me. Bou, I, because remember you don't pronounce the H, so I, da, don, pan, bi. In the words, so try to imagine or write down what group of syllable to make this sound. Un panda, panda, and repeat first also. Panda. Next, be sure you have, if you don't have time to write down, just pause the video and then write the letters for panda. And then bidon. Repeat, bidon. Un bidon. Bidon. So write this down. And the last one, un hibou. Repeat, hibou. So hibou. So write down. So we're going to do the second group before showing all you the answers. So the line of syllables is chat. Repeat, chat, peu, lent, tôt. Remember, okay, so EM or EN, like we had in the first line, the sound en, like in La France, okay? So lent. And then tôt, the letter AU together make the sound O, so tôt. And also the letter EAU make the sound O. So either AU or EAU, the same sound O. So ro and po. And now the words, une lampe. Repeat, lampe. And try to write down what would be those 2 groups. Lampe. Next word, un chapeau. Repeat, chapeau. Chapeau. Same thing. Take time to write down what are those 2 groups of 2 syllables. Chapeau. And the last word is taureau. Taureau. So taureau. Taureau. Okay. If you have not finished writing all those words, pause the video, take time to write them down, and then I'm going to show you the answers, and you can repeat also the words after me. So, un panda, un bidon, un hibou, and the second line, une lampe, un chapeau, un taureau. Okay, we're going to do the same with those two next pictures. So I'm first reading the line of syllables and you repeat after me. Bas, drap, lait, so AI is the sound E, lait. Pain, so IN the sound un, like 1, 2, 3. Pain. And then gon, gon, and la. This one is very simple. And now I'm going to read you the words and again write down on a piece of paper the group of syllables that make that word. So un lapin. Repeat, lapin. And then try to figure out which groups make lapin. Then un balai. Repeat, balai. And write down which one. Balai. And un dragon. Dragon. Okay. And the next group. So let's read the syllables. Ton. Ton. So it's the same sound we had line above with gon. Hein? On sound. Gon. And he says ton. Then bou. So OU make the sound OU. Remember, like the cow, moo. Okay, it says with a B, so boo. Bon, like we had the first one, we have a T. This one is with a B. So we had ton, and now we have bon. And again, the OU sound, mou. So we had boo for the second one, and this one is mou. And then ton again, ton. And again, bon. So let's read again the whole line. Ton, bou, bon, mou, ton, bon. So the first word is kind of funny because it's actually is going to be twice the same sound. You're going to hear un bonbon, bonbon. So repeat, bonbon. And write down what are these syllables. Next word, un bouton, bouton. Repeat, un bouton. And choose bouton. And the next one is un mouton. Repeat, mouton. So mouton. Okay. And so now I'm going to show you the answers and you're going to repeat after me. So un lapin, un balai, un dragon, and then un bonbon, un bouton, un mouton. Okay. Now we're going to do the same now with words of 3 syllables. It's not more difficult, just here in what order I'm saying the syllables. And let's first read the first line of syllables. So now we're going to do the same game, but with words that contain 3 syllables. It's not more difficult, just listen carefully to the order of the syllables. And first we're going to read our full line and you repeat after me. Ja, no, me, ka, pi, mi. So you notice the letter Y in French is pronounced exactly like the letter I, so which is a sound I. So pi, mi, ma, ra, do. And now I'm going to give you the words. So same thing, repeat after me each word and then try to figure out what are the 3 syllables needed to make that word. So un domino. Repeat, domino. So do, mi, no. Next word is une caméra. Repeat, caméra. So, caméra. And the last word, un pyjama. Repeat, pyjama. So, pyjama. The next line, let's read the full line of syllables. Mi, de. Now, have you noticed this letter E? If there's an accent on it, like you had on the first line above, you have Jeannot, me. Okay, so if you have an accent on it, is A. If you don't have any nothing on it, it's just sound E. Okay, so mi, de, ma, to, che, la, se, te, ça. And the words, une tomate. Repeat, une tomate. And try to find the three syllables. To, ma, and then we have t, the t sound at the end. Tomate. And remember, we don't pronounce final E. So you're going to have a syllable with an E at the end, which we don't pronounce in French, the final E. So, une tomate. Next word, une salade. Repeat, salade. So, sa, la, and we have sound d. Salade. And the last word, une chemise. Repeat, chemise. So, che, mi, and sound z. Chemise. And finally, our last group of syllables, l'eau, te, ti, te. So here you see we have te, ti, te. Te and te are close to each other. I mean, almost. We have te, the E without accent, sound E, te. Then we have ti, and then te, which is the same letter E, but this time with an accent on it. So it's no longer an E, it's an E. So let's redo those three. Te, ti, te. Peu, ra, te, ne, pi. And the words, un pirate. Repeat, un pirate. So pi, ra, and then sound t. Pirate. Une tétine. Repeat, une tétine. So syllable t, ti, and sound n. Tétine. And the last word, une pelote. Repeat, pelote. So pelote. Pelote. So now I'm going to give you the answers, and you can repeat again the full words after me and compare with what you had written down on your paper. So the first line, un domino, repeat, un domino, une caméra, un pyjama. Second line, une tomate, une salade, une chemise. And the last line, un pirate, une tétine, une pelote. And that's it for today.